Get 1000 subscribers on YouTube hack trick, whatever you may call it. Get 1000 subscribers. Guys, I actually came to bear forth this good news. I actually just woke up. I just left the bed and I started to come here. This is not my regular background, regular place I post my videos. In case you watch my video, you know this is not the regular place I stay to post my videos. But I just woke up. I dreamt of sharing this tip with you guys. This hack with you guys. I actually dreamt of sharing it because it's something I did to my channel to gain my subscriber. Like, oh my god. It's something like this. I was like, okay, let me just see, because in case you don't know, my channel is monetized. Woo. Yeah, so it's something I did. I was like, okay, let me just even share it, because I don't think I've actually shared it on this platform. Like, okay, let me just tell you, in case you're thinking, how can I get my 1000 subscribers? What should I do? How can I achieve that? It's very simple. The arc is very, very, very simple. It's not those arc that you have so many lists or lots of things to do. I wanted to bite my tongue trying to speak English. Yeah, so that's by the way. So it is actually very easy. Just two things. You just need two things to do. Number one, number one, live streaming. Just live stream. Make sure you come on live every day. Live stream, live stream, live stream, live stream, and ask people to subscribe to your channel. You can actually put it there, pin it. You can pin it. You can write as a message that please subscribe to my channel and pin it, or you can do a poll just to remind. So anybody that clicks on your video will be like, oh, have you subscribed to this channel, yes or no, which can actually remind them to subscribe. You can know, like when you go on live, there's a plus button there that you can add a poll. You can use it as a poll and just like, you know, sorry about my face, I've not really done anything. I just keep clicking to come and tell you guys this amiable. So this second hack that I want to tell you, posting shorts. There are a lot of controversies. A lot of people are saying, oh, short is going to destroy your channel. Just see, if you post short the right way, it is not going to destroy your channel. If you post short the right way, it won't destroy your channel. It can only destroy your channel if you are posting short of things that are unrelated to your long form videos. Like, let's say you are into food. Maybe your channel is into food, and then you are posting short of dancing, and then people subscribe to your channel because they think your channel is about dancing, only for them to see that it's about food, and then that's the only way it can hurt your channel. But if you are posting what is related to your video, if you are for fashion and you are posting shorts on fashion, trust me, you're all good to go. You're very, 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 very good to go. So guys, let me go and freshen up. I just said, let me just click on and tell you guys this two hack. Please guys, in case you don't know, this two hack works like magic. Come back and testify. If you try this two hack and it did not work for you, let me know in the comment section. Let me know in the comment section. But I promise you that once you try this two hack, you will come back and testify. So in case you don't know, this is the Nneka Story. This is my channel. What I do is I do daily vlogs. Yeah, I do vlogs. I also do YouTube teachings. Yes, I do vlogs on my channel and I do some YouTube teachings, right? Please guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, do all of those things, and then let me just leave the kitchen and just go. All right guys, bye.